So we've already escalated in, what, 3 minutes up to the largest jump at the park?
It's so high.
There we have it on. Oh, wow. Yeah, you broke it. You jumped it like 30 feet in the air.
You said you wanted to see how high.
I didn't want to. Okay, stop. Stop. Turn it off.
Daddy,
Well, that is the end of our day.
I am so sorry.
If it's negative temperatures and it's cold and you take it way up in the air and land it blind,
It breaks.
it will break.
So don't try that at home.
Don't try that at home.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll buy a new truck and we'll do more videos.
Oh, careful. You can't see. Alright, Asher. Now that we've got the monster truck inside and we got all the parts and stuff we need, we gotta work on it now. First thing we gotta do is take this wheel off. So we need to find a socket that fits that size. What size do you think it is? That one will fit?
Nope. It won't fit.
Oh, it's bigger than 5. What size you got there?
8.
There's a 6 mil. Oh, 7 mil fits. It's this size right here. So now we gotta put that on the end of the screwdriver right here. You get it on? You just push it on.
No, I can't do it.
You can do it.
No.
Here, let me help. We'll push it in like that. Okay. Now you gotta unscrew it. Now the wheel comes off. Ta-da! Good job.
That was
Okay. This is our broken piece right here.
Daddy, net into here.
So we broke this piece right here. See this?
Then
Yeah. See this right here? This cracked. This piece here. So we're gonna have to take that off and replace it.
that would be the wheel so dirty in here.
The wheel is dirty. That's true.
It's dirty.
So here's our part.
It's dirty in the
AR33047.
it's pretty dirty in the wheel.
It is pretty dirty in the wheel. Will this sit up? I doubt it. Gotta unscrew this top
Yeah.
piece. Screw out the upper control arm.
And I will take it off. Oh, here's the nut.
We're gonna have to take that nut off too, I think. Yeah, definitely, actually.
That's a middle nut.
It is a nuttle nut. This is a long screw.
Then my hands are all dirty.
Your hands are gonna get all dirty, aren't they? Oh, we got the size right here. It's the smallest size.
It opened.
Look at that fail point right there. There's the
If you say that, you're
new one and the old one. Hopefully I'm not stripping this. I guess it's new. And nothing is as tight as a cross thread. All tight, and boom. Just like that. All fixed. The truck is fixed. Thanks for all your help.
Wait, what?
Thanks for your help. Oh yeah.
Daddy.
Now we can take it out and give it a proper test. It's stuck. Yeah. Come drive it and do these jumps up. You gotta get a drive. You gotta go fast. Okay, watch out, Asher. He's gonna drive it up here. Get out of the way. Or get behind me, so if it crashes, it'll hit me first. Watch out, Asher. There you go. Thought I wasn't standing in the right spot. That was a good one. Yes, I got one. Let me drive for a while.
Okay. Now let's go and play at the car. My turn. You flipped it.
Yeah, your turn.
I had to go pee.
You have to go pee.
You can go in the stall.
Yeah, we can go over to the arena. Okay. Do you want to turn the camera off, Kai? I think we got enough.
Back up.
Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.